crazy. I know this.
2,000 years later.
Sorry, Alkaline was a 4 out of 10 overall, and I'm sorry, he was a 20 out of 10 for the choice of songs that he performed. The crowd was a 50 out of 10. We were great. I was lit. White Rum did This My Voice. However, there's lots of Alkaline versus Vybz Kartel. I'm just going to say it how it is. We keep comparing them. You cannot compare, sorry. Vybz Kartel was in prison for 13 years. Alkaline hasn't come to London for 10 years. And not once did the man interact with us. We have
A few moments later.
Alkaline to 8.5. I'll upgrade Alkaline to 8.5 out of 10, but that's the highest I'm willing to go. I understand he's a man of mystery. I know all of that. But since he's had cancelled shows in London, since it's been 10 years, I thought we would have had a little bit more. The man whispered and ran off stage. When the lights came on, I was traumatized. I was so shocked.
One eternity later.
Am I the only person that has ever been to a concert where the artist does a bit of everything? So they sing loads of songs. They also like interact with the crowd, you know, and then they also allow their musicians a chance to perform. I have 2 good examples of this. Usher did all of it. He even did rollerblading. Usher was...
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Pussy, 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 pussy. Wine girl bend. Tight hole girls them. Fuck her over and over again. Come in a cup and she drink it, mixed with liquor and ice.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this. Hey, y'all, come look at this.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
People, wagwan, big up on yourself. You don't know. For big up social tube that be there. You see me? Yeah man, big up yourself social tube. You don't know things there. You see it? So you have some very important message where you make the people them know wagwan. You see me? But big up the people them who support the thing. You see me? Yeah, I'm big up every fan base. I don't know. Come soon in I comment, you know. Yeah man, when I watch a video them and thing, although sometimes I don't know maybe agree with me, but that's how it go. You see me, but I know sometimes on the day I don't learn. You see it? Yeah man, but we're going to listen what social tube I say.
Gather right here. Social Tube TV, if you are new to my platform, my page, please give me a follow, leave a like, and also leave a comment. Now, people, do you know what the word impact really means? I'm going to give you a few seconds. Think about it, or go to YouTube, check it out, and let me know. Come back to the comment section and give me some engagement in the comment section. Talk to me, let me know. What do you think the word impact really means? Now, which other artists in dancehall ever have countries competing against each other? I'm waiting. Give you a second. Let me repeat myself.
So basically, when I talk, like, there's a challenge going on with Alkaline Gyal Good, where Guyana do it. You don't know so the impact of the song with Guyana. Barbados is waiting. You don't know the time in July. And then in August now, we have Trinidad waiting on the same Gyal Good challenge. You see me? It mean like them want to sing out the song to see who do it better. You see me? Yeah. So that go on right now. Gyal Good challenge. You see me? Crowd reaction.
Which other dancehall artists in the history of dancehall have countries competing against each other to sing the artist's favorite song?
Well, no, at first I see this and with Alkaline, you see me? Yeah, first I see this. I don't really see no other artists really do it. Where them have a song, like people are wait like for sing that same song they like for a challenge. No, I don't really see that in a dancehall. You see me? Yeah.
Or the country's favorite song? Talk to me. Which other artist?
So basically when I talk people, the post here. So Barbados post up, them saw the video in a Guyana, right? So them Alkaline going to be in Guyana, in Barbados, tipsy. Seeing? So them see the Guyana reaction with the girl good. Seeing same video where you see right here. So them say, yo, Guyana was loud. TMF, you next. You understand? I remember, you know, there's a lot of clippage, but them the girl good song, it a mash up the place, mash up the Caribbean, it a mash up all over the world. You see me? So it's a Barbados one ready to sing this one on top of their, what the name? Logs. I don't know what they mean by that. Barbados them know that. See? So there's a competition going on with girl good song. When Alkaline touch down in that Caribbean country, them are wait because them see the TikTok and everything. So them are wait for do the reaction of this song. You understand? So you're going to see the next one now. So this is Trinidad. Seeing this is in August 22nd. Trinidad, seeing Trinidad say, we heard Guyana. So them watch the video and see what go on. That's what I tell you, say, yo, the youth impactful. Because these people in the other country are watching and see what go on. You understand? So look where Trinidad say now. We heard Guyana. Trinidad, the challenge is on. So them might tell them, say, yo, ready up, you know. Because we have to tap Guyana, you know. And we have to tap Barbados, you know. See? And then them say, we are calling the chore. So them call out all of the people them who are going to sing Gyal good out loud. You see me? So yes, that's how we social too, but there's a challenge going on with the Caribbean countries with the same Gyal good song. You see me? A mega hit. You see it? Yeah. But listen what I go on, people. You see me? Yeah, man.
No, this thing started back in OVO Arena last year where Alkaline sold out the OVO Arena with the Lala Challenge. After the OVO Arena was done, Alkaline came back to Jamaica. Trelawney. Yes, man. Trelawney. After Trelawney was what? The Barclays Center. Lala.
No, the Lala Challenge started from Barclays Center. But the show in UK was great. That was at like UK go hard. Like UK sing out all of the song them. You understand? Trinidad in Trelawney in Jamaica. Magnificent. Like that show they did. Sick people. May I tell you, Alkaline pull a decent crowd round this. So. You see me? Yeah. But the Lala thing started at Barclays Center. You see me?
Our challenge was loud. After the Barclays, he came back to Jamaica, up to the line. Lala challenge was also loud. Now, let's fast forward. Last week, or last weekend, Alkaline was where? In Guyana. People, I have never seen a crowd stand up in the rain, waited for how much hours to see them favorite artists.
Yo, man, nah lie, people. The Guyana people, yo, them love Alkaline. Me I tell you that. People them stand up in a rain, you know. Nobody no move, you know. Me I tell you, you know, people, yo. Them people have to really rate, yo. Guyana show, if you type in Guyana on TikTok or was, trust me, the people them got right now, the people them can't stop living the moment right now. The people them me see the people them play Alkaline song we say, yo, it was a night to remember. Remember me telling you. You understand? That song there is like them got always remember when Alkaline for that Guyana. Gyal good and the Lala. Me I tell you people it nah man. You see me? Yeah man.
Alkaline. One key man, one vendetta. Thousands of people waited in line to see Alkaline perform. Because they wanted to get on the Lala Challenge. And of course, I saw some videos, the entire crowd, and also individual videos of persons performing the Lala Challenge. You know, who is up next? Trinidad, I believe, or Barbados is up next.
Alright, so Barbados is up next. See? Which is July the 19th. Yeah. July the 19th, Tipsy. I think all white. Or something like so. Alkaline going to be there. So there is going to be a challenge of Gyal Good, with the people them a wait pan. See? And then after that now, you don't know say him a go have Antigua. Antigua don't join the challenge as yet. But him have Antigua July the 26th. You don't know Barbados July the 19th, right? And then him have Dream Weekend, I think August. Yeah. Yeah, I think August the what them say, 31st or something around them time there. Dream Weekend. And then after Dream Weekend now, Alkaline have Trinidad, which is August the 22nd, and then September the 5th he has Afrofest. You understand? So the artist well book out. Well book out. You see me? Yeah, everybody a wait.
So the challenge is moving from country to country, people. And the countries are challenging each other to see who is the loudest. Now, the next person up, or next country up will be Trinidad or Barbados. Barbados.
Yes, so Barbados.
Trinidad, we want to see you. Then after that is Trinidad. Then Antigua is up next. And then you have Afro. Then he's going to come back to Jamaica for Dream Weekend. People, Alkaline is the most booked artist for 2026, without a doubt. Alkaline NPT album, the biggest album of the year so far. It doesn't matter what they want to say, we can see the impact. Because
yeah, man. Yeah, and him have an album where you have the biggest song out of it right now. You see me, that song there? Trust me. To go on with that thing. You see it. We have the videos, them everything, you know. You understand? Say there is no capping. You see me? Yeah, so right now. And when you talk about bookings, Alkaline a headline all them bookings them. You understand? Him a headline all them bookings them. You see me? Yeah.
Good is a mega hit. Taking over the place, taking over the charts. That is something we cannot deny the fact that Alkaline NPT album is a major success.
Yeah, man, for real, because when the man perform now, Guyana, you know, people, me I tell you, you know, Drake album they down there go on, you know, and the man kick off Drake album off at the top or 3 or 4, you know. Gyal good there number 1, you know. The man Japa. Wow, me I tell me no want to say that, you know. The man shake up Guyana. You see me? Shake it up. Me I tell you people. The whole Guyana say, yo, Vendetta, the man himself. Me see her one day there with one lady. Forward say, yo, if you tell her that, I say, yo, come for her picnic. She want to say Alkaline. For sure, yo. So my people them never go there and wish them did go. I think at 20k them say, at 20k plus, them say, forward out. And you know what I was saying, people? A 3 artists perform. And Alkaline, take it. Alkaline, them talk about. You see me? Yeah, man. Alkaline, them talk about people. You see it? So, me no know. We are going to see what go on. You see me?
No. Alkaline performed in Guyana, as I mentioned, over the weekend. And the next day, all of Alkaline songs, Alkaline had 15 songs in the top 20. No, that is what you call impact. Which other artists have ever done this? I'm waiting.
Yo, man, I like telling people for your perform, you know. I want place, when you look on the charts in a place, yo, you take over everything. Jaja youth. Yeah, man, Alkaline musically, yo, the youth. I don't know, man, up on a different level, dog. Like, the man turned Guyana upside down. Yo, it's like people just left at us, be Alkaline, me I tell you.
And again, put it in the comment section. If I'm wrong, I can stand correct. You understand? However, as I speak to you right now, this is something that no one has ever seen before. Only Alkaline has country to country competing against each other. Sound off in the comment section, let me know what you think. Who is running dancehall right now? Let's talk about impact. Let's not talk about running Jamaica YouTube charts. That is nonsense. Rubbish. Let us talk about real impact. Yeah? Let's get to the conversation. Sound off in the comment section. And again, people, if you're new, just leave a like. Give me a comment.
Yeah, man, people, you don't know. As me say, no matter what them say, Alkaline dominate right now. I wanna talk about us we are talking about music. Like, trust me, him a do it. We say everything. Him and mash up a place. You see me? The impact is there, everything. The song, him being present at the shows and everything. You understand? The youth are do it. But you don't know. People are gonna say what they want to say. But at the end of the day, reality can't hide nothing. You see me? Yeah man, the youth are do it. And big up the other artists them I put in them work. I saw it go. You see me? Yeah man. If you don't want to reach to a certain level, you have to just put in the work and stay focused. Don't run down the hype. The hype not carry gonna work. Once that moment die down, you not gonna die down with it as well. You see me? Make music speaks. Make music show the impact. You see what I'm trying to say? Yeah man, I just saw the thing said people. But I one of them thing they don't know. I want me the fox man up. Yeah man. One me the fox man. So big up on the sell people and just respect for the support, yeah man. You see me? Respect for the support. You see me? Yeah, but you don't know me the fox there. How we are going easy, I want to go see what I go on. See a bag of album I'm about for release. We are going to see the numbers. You see me? We see Shaggy one. You see me? Them say Cartel for drop. Them say Massacre for drop. Yo, me not telling lie people. A bag of album I just start this year now. That year I come like album year to rot it. I tell you, but the Shaggy one surprise me not lie. If you see the album run the way man do to rot it and man not even the billboard, me I say, yo, John, this rough, you know, dog. The album thing are rough now without the YouTube views, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, it look good, people. Me I tell you that, but people, pick up on yourself. We see what go on and what pull the big numbers, them. You see me, but you don't know one media facts pan the app. This is it.